guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to this video. So in this video we are going to be looking at SMC market structure, that is breakout structure versus change of character. So most people will be asking me, how can I differentiate between breakout structure and change of character? So in this video I will give you an example that will help you not to ask that question again. This is the only video that you need to watch in the internet today and not have to watch any other video regarding to breakout structure and change of character. So this video is going to be a well simplified video that can help you in this 2026 even beyond, in order for you to be able to know how to identify breakout structure or to differentiate between breakout structure and change of character. So let's get into the video, into how to identify breakout structure and how to identify change of character. So look at this diagram now. If you look at this diagram very well, you see we're having higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high and higher low, which means that this was a bullish market. This was a bullish market. This market is a bullish market. You can see it. It's a bullish market. Bullish. So the market was bullish. You can see. So it was all going to the upside. You see now we are having the breakout structure at the upside. Then we came to this place. Pay attention to this diagram because it will help you to understand it very well. So when we reach to this extent now, you see that instead of this distance now to, as it has retraced here, it was supposed to, let's say for instance now it came to this point. It came to this point. This thing now so that you get this understanding very well. I hope you get this very well because I just want you to understand this. Okay, so when the market reached somewhere like this place now that I pointed this now, the market was supposed to reach here, then go up. It was supposed to reach here and then do something like this, then break here. But it didn't do that. Instead of it to have done that, it went down. So instead of it to have touched here, maybe touch the other block that was here and then go up, it didn't touch anything here, or maybe see where the other block was supposed to be. Okay, it was supposed to touch here and then go up, but it didn't do that. Instead of that, it broke the other block that was here and came down. So as it broke down to this place now, then here now it's no longer a breakout structure, but what? A change of character. So a change of character is now that this market has moved from the bullish market to what? To the bearish market. So we are no longer going to be what? Buying, we are going to be what? Selling. That is just what we have here. You see the illustration, after it has broken, then we start having a lower low and a lower high. You see where we started having also the lower low and the lower high, and also the market start breaking at the downside. We start having our breakout structure at the downside. You see this one also at the breakout structure at the downside also. Then this now, after this now, you see this market now was supposed to reach this place. It was supposed to reach this place, and once the market reached here, it was supposed to reach here, then touch here and then come back to break here, but it didn't do that. What did it do? It broke this particular. So what did it do? Instead of it to have touched here and come down, it didn't touch there and come down. So what did it do? It broke this place and went up. So we call here now what? A change of character instead of what? A breakout structure. So as it has broke here we are no longer what? Selling, because we are no longer on what? A bearish market. So we are now what? Buying, because we are now having higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and what? Higher high, higher low. So this is just a simple illustration of this. This is a simple illustration. Let me do this since I did the other side. This side. Here is bearish. 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 So you can see it now. So break of structure is when the market is what? Just breaking either to the upside or to the downside. When the market is breaking either to the upside or to the downside. Then change of character is when the market change either from the uptrend to the downtrend. It's when the market change from the bullish to the bearish, or when the market move from being an uptrend to what? Becoming a downtrend. So that is just the simple illustration about this. So from this diagram you see, we have been able to just give you a clear understanding of this. So let's go to the chart. Let me show you from the charts. Let's see from the charts. Let's see from the charts. Okay, so from this chart now, you see, let me show you from this chart. Okay, so from this chart now, let's start from here. You see, we are having a break of structure to the upside. We have this break of structure. I don't want this video to take long. Break of structure. So we have this break of structure, and maybe cloning it. Then we have another break of structure here. We have another break of structure here. You see, this is another break of structure. So then I will also get the clone version, and then we position our another break of structure. So we have this break of structure, that they are kind of small. Then let me clone it again. So let me get this. You see, we have this break of structure. I don't know whether you can see it clear. So you see, we are breaking to the upside. So I think you are getting it. So let this. Let me get this. Okay. So you can still. This can still serve as a break of structure. This last one. This one. Okay. So this is the last break of structure that I can see here. So from this now you see, instead of it to still break upwards, we now have what we call what this can serve here as a this our what it now broke to the downside, which is what change of character. It broke to the downside. So we had this change of character here. This is where we have the change of character. Then we start having a break of structure to the downside. Sorry. We start having this break of structure to the downside. BoS. So you see how we're able to move from the uptrend to the downtrend. You see, the market was going higher high. From there now, we have this change of character and we start having what? Lower high, lower low. Then you still see another place where it broke down. Let me bring this down. Okay, you see this break of structure. And if you look at here now, you can see there is no other place that it broke down. So we have this change of character here. So the market now shifted from the what from the downtrend going back to the what uptrend. So from here now it broke here. Then we have another break of structure here to the upside. So this should be very simple and very easy for anybody to understand. If you don't get this like this, please just rewatch the video. You can be able to understand this very well. This is not hard, this is simple for you to understand. So See, I was just taking my time to just show you this. If you want to watch more on how to understand breakout structure, there's a video I've done in this channel, so you can go through the video also on how to work with your breakout structures and how to know the valid breakout structures to use. So you can see from what I just illustrated now, it's something that you can always do by yourself. So please, if there is any question, please drop it on the comment section and do well to subscribe. So without any other thing, we call it a day. So thank you for watching, and then see you in the next video. Bye for now. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I know you have learned a lot regarding to how to differentiate between the change of character and the breakout structure video. So all I expect from you, subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell to get awesome videos like this every single time. So subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.